Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since my last video because I've been busy working on my final year project and also some cool projects I'm building for you guys, which is going to help you customize your Windows computer with ease. In today's video, I'm really happy to show you something simple but super useful. A desktop setup I created that looks clean and simple, but there's more important cool things to it which will help you work faster and stay organized. This setup has made a big difference in how I get things done and it helped me stay focused. There are few cool tools and tricks that made it all work, and in this video I will show you every one of them, which I really think is going to help you too. The first tool I want to show you is called Flow Launcher. It's a lightweight app that helps you find and open anything on your computer super fast. Once you install it, all you need to do is to just press the Alt plus space button and it opens this search bar, and from there you can type the name of any app, file or even website and it will show up right away. This saves me a lot of time compared to clicking around to find things. Now if you go into the settings, Flow Launcher has a lot of cool features you can explore. One of my favorite things is the plugin section. For example, the calculator plugin. The calculator plugin lets you type something like 5 plus 6 and it solves it right there. No need to open any calculator app and it's super handy. You can also search for files, folders, and when it comes to looks, the whole appearance tab here. You can change the look of the launcher, like I'm using the Windows 11 theme which looks clean and modern. There are a lot of options that makes it looks like your own. The next tool I'm going to show you is called WinHack, and with this tool it can help you customize your Windows taskbar and also your start menu in a more beautiful and professional way, which is really amazing. So when it comes here, there are some cool modes I'm using here, and the first one is called better file sizes in Explorer details, and this is a very handy mod which is going to help you know the actual size of your files in a pretty cool way. Instead of showing those kilobytes, it's showing the actual size in megabyte and also gigabyte for you to use, and it's pretty amazing. The next one I'm going to show you is the middle click to close your taskbar, and this is pretty amazing. So with this I can just open anything up, and with just a middle click I can close this application with ease. And the next one is modernize folder picker dialog, and here it helps you to show a modern folder picker which is pretty amazing. And one of my favorite new one which has been added is the taskbar auto hide when maximized, and with this you can just maximize any window and it's going to hide your Windows taskbar, and it's pretty cool because this is amazing. So with this you can just have a full screen to work with and there's no any space below it, and it's pretty amazing. The next one I'm going to show you is the taskbar clock customization, and with this I've customized mine in a more simple way to show the time and the dates in a simple way, so you can feel free to do some for yourself, and it's pretty amazing. And if you want to have the same look as mine, I'm going to share everything with you in the description below for you to copy and get the same look for yourself. The next one I use here is taskbar volume control, and with this you can just control your volume with your scroll bar on the taskbar, and it's pretty amazing. The next one is the Windows 11 notification center styler, and with this you can just go with the translucent shell which is going to make your Windows notification panel pretty neat and beautiful. The next one and the most used ones over here is the Windows 11 start menu styler, which helps you set your Windows start menu to a simple but beautiful style. So I'm using this one which looks very clean and simple, and it's pretty amazing. The next one over here is a taskbar styler, which is also going to make your taskbar looks like this, and this one too is also clean and simple. So feel free to get access to my presets, which I'm going to link all in the description below, and you can feel free to use it for yourself. And let's move to the next tool. The next tool I'm going to show you is this Zen Browser, which is a pretty cool browser which comes with a whole lot of features in 2025 now. With this browser, you can just open any web page with ease, and it's pretty amazing. So you can see I have my tabs on the right side, and you can see my whole browser is looking a bit transparent, and this is beautiful. And with some few tricks, I'm also having some beautiful search bar for you to search for anything, and it's pretty amazing. So with this, you can get a full blown of your browser, and with this browser you can do a whole lot of things with it, and it's pretty amazing. And my picture is also very old. So with this, they have some mods which you can set for yourself, and with the mod I have some pretty cool mods over here which I've even showcased in my previous video about Zen Browser, and you can have it for yourself. And the next extension I'm using here, and if you also want to get this pretty cool look, then I'm going to link a video to it for you to get access to this beautiful nice browser for yourself. The next tool which I'm going to show you is my personal tool which I've created for this channel, and I'm still working on it, so it's not currently out. And this tool helps you customize your computer in a more professional way. So with this, we have some wallpaper section where you can get access to all the wallpapers from Wall Heaven, and it's pretty amazing. So if you like any of the wallpapers, or you want to go with colors, you can just set it for yourself and go with a pretty cool wallpaper for yourself, and it's also amazing. So with this, you can set wallpapers for yourself and also download wallpapers on your desktop, and it's pretty amazing. So with this, you can just single click on a wallpaper to set it as your desktop wallpaper. This is beautiful. And at the Rainmeter section here, if you don't have Rainmeter on your computer, it's going to prompt you to install some just by clicking on this to install it with WinHack. Once Rainmeter is done, you can just unload the default skins, and it's just easy and the normal way. And with this, you have a ton of skins over here which you can set for yourself. So I can just download any one of them, and it will download with ease without me searching anywhere, and just click on install to install the skin on my desktop. And this is pretty amazing. So with this installed, you can see that my skin has been successfully installed on my computer, and now I just have to position it, and it's pretty cool. So guys, I would love your feedback on this application I'm creating. If it's really nice, let me know, and if you want me to also add some cool features to it, I can add it to it for you to get access to it, and I'll be willing to hear from you. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you found something helpful, maybe a new tool to boost your workflow or give your desktop a fresh look. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know which tool was your favorite and what you like me to talk about the next time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.